Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sabrina Maria here with another video for you guys. So you guys have probably seen in my most recent videos, I have gone on and on and on about this company called Marisas Manner. Listen, I love accessories. Y'all will probably see in every video I have a nice earring on. You couldn't always see my clothes, so I always like to accessorize with a bold earring, something like that, something that would complement my makeup or maybe something I have on, so I love it. So this company, it's a Black-owned business owned by Marisa Smith Campbell, and it is just, I just love it. She has earrings. I'm not sure she's gonna have even more accessories, but these earrings, I can't even get it out. You will not find them in a store. You will not find them in like other boutiques. They are so unique. They are so different. They are beautiful and great quality. So today we are going to be unboxing Marisas Manner. Yes, I placed another order. I did, and I will be placing even more orders. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox Marisas Manner. I have not taken it out of the package because I wanted us to do that together. Okay, so just a little bit more about her. Like when you go to the website first of all is marisasmanner.com. marisasmanner.com. It will be posted in the description box, so all you have to do is just click on it and start shopping, okay? So it'll ask you to join her Good Girlfriends list. Make sure you do that because she will let you know when she's restocked. She will let you know when she has new items in, if there's any promotions going on. So you definitely want to join the email list and become one of her Good Girlfriends. Also, it's the website. I love it because it's so elegant, it's so chic, so modern. Simple black and white colors on the website, and also in her packaging. It's very professional. It's not hard to navigate. Everything you need is right there, simple, straight to the point. I love it. She is very professional. Also, if her company is like, if you have an issue, you have a question with your order, she responds very quickly, and she's just very prompt. It's probably one of the most professional businesses that I have dealt with. She's very, very professional. I don't know anyone who has been disappointed with shopping with her. When I placed my order, literally I got this within like 3 days. I placed my order, I got a confirmation email of my order, and within 3 days, this was at my doorstep. So yeah, I was very impressed with the fast shipping. Just no issue. So we're gonna go ahead and, as I say, get down to the business. Okay, as I said, her packaging and her website is black. So she has like a nice black like packaging here, not a regular USPS packaging. She has her own little packaging. I like that. So we're gonna go ahead and have this thank you sticker here. I thought that was cute. So we're gonna go ahead and tear this open and look inside, y'all. I'm so excited to show y'all this. I don't even remember what I ordered, to be honest with you. I think I just did a simple order, but I'm definitely gonna go back and get some more. Oh my gosh, okay. I got like 4 boxes in here. So here's this, and there's a little card there. I'm gonna read that, but I have like 2 other boxes here, okay? So first of all, it comes with these 2 little cards right here. This card, it says, "We appreciate your business. Dear Good Girlfriend, we hope that you love and enjoy every new item that you have decided to add to your closet. Now that you have shopped Marisas Manner, it is now time for you to style these new pieces in your own manner." Oh, I like that. Always remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. So never be afraid to stand out and be different. Be bold enough to make a statement. Be you enough to stay authentic and be beautiful, because that is what you are. Love, your good girlfriend, Marisa. I love that. That is so neat. I love that. Such a nice, encouraging encouraging word for people. And when you go to her website, it does say, be you, be bold, be beautiful. I love that. And this is something you just want to keep. I want to put this in a frame, okay? Like, that is so, I love that message. Very, very nice. And then it has, okay, and it says, thank you, come back and shop again, marisasmanner.com. Save 10% off on your next purchase. Okay, you think I won't be using that? Okay. And they got my coupon code, and I'm not going to tell you my coupon code because you got to go shop yourself to get your own coupon code, okay? But, yes, I love that. Super, super neat. That is really cool. And her cards are really, really nice design and everything. Really, really cute. I love it. Let's open the first box, okay? First of all, and y'all may wonder why I smelled it. Like, I'm not obsessed with smelling stuff, but, because right when I opened the box, I was like, wait a minute, what's that smell? This smells so good. Why does it smell so good? Like, I mean, I don't think she sprayed it with perfume. Like, who has time to sit here and spray everything with perfume? But I think it's the tissue paper. It's wrapped in tissue paper. Oh my gosh, this is scented tissue paper. I didn't know there was such a thing. This is scented. Listen. This is scented tissue paper. It smells like perfume. It smells like some Marc Jacobs or something. Listen, for real. It reminds me of Marc Jacobs. Decadent from Marc Jacobs. I love it, it's my favorite. But this smells very similar to Decadent from Marc Jacobs. It smells good. Who does that? She has a sticker here with her logo. Love it. Has everything wrapped neatly in a nice black box, like I told you her colors are. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh yes, so this is what I got right here. And I love that she has it attached to the cotton here. And I like that because that way when your item is being packaged in the box, the earrings aren't flopping around everywhere, all over the box and possibly getting damaged. So I thought that was really smart, securing it to the cotton. Now I got these, and that's what she has, a variety. She has a simple, if you're going to work, bomb, if you want something for a girl's night out, date night, sexy, elegant, church. She has it for all. And I got these for my girls. I have 2 girls. And I got some earrings for my girls. So I thought these were really cute when I was on there. I thought my girls would really enjoy them. And even sometimes if I just want to wear like a nice stud or something, I don't want to do anything, you know, extra or whatever, I can even wear these. So I thought these were really cute. I love this where she has the earrings on. She has her logo there and everything. Really, really cute. I love it. I love it. So let's go ahead and get to the next one. Listen, this tissue paper, it smells good, baby. Oh yeah, I'm excited about these. Listen, I'm excited about these. This is the next one that I got. Listen. These are, I don't even have nothing green, but I saw these and I was like, I gotta have them. These are beautiful. Oh my gosh, let me give you a closer look. These are gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. And they came in different colors. I believe they came in green again. I mean, these are green. I believe they came in black. I can't remember the other colors that came in, but I know for sure they came in black. Oh my gosh, and again, she has it attached to the cotton here. Listen, we about to take these lame hoops off, okay? And we about to jazz it up. I don't even think I have anything green in my wardrobe, but this is like an emerald green. I love it. When I saw it, I was like, oh, I gotta have it. Because I guess I don't have anything like that. And these are so elegant, like, something like this, and the way my style is, I can wear, you know, I can be having some jeans on and a white t-shirt and put these earrings on, okay? Or even if I'm going out and wearing something really nice and elegant, I can put these earrings on and, you know, make it fabulous. Be me, be bold, and be beautiful, okay? Listen, these are gorgeous. The backs are really good quality too. Like they're not those cheap little backs. Like they hold really good. Oh my god. I feel like I got $1 million pair of earrings on. I love the fringe. Nice and playful. This is nice and elegant and just bold. Look, y'all. Y'all can't tell me nothing about my ears. My ears are dog. Listen. I love it. These are gorgeous. I'm going to zoom in to give you a closer look. These are beautiful. I love it. These are so gorgeous. Y'all got to hit her up. Like, seriously. Marisas Manner .com. Baby, listen. I don't want to take these off. I don't even remember what else I ordered. I really don't. But I don't want to take these off though. I kind of want to wear them for the rest of the day. Let me tell you, I'm going to take them off, but I'm going to probably put them back on, okay? I don't even know what else I ordered though. It depends on what else I ordered, you know? I'm going to put them right back on here like she had it. So here's the next thing that I got. Let me open it here. Oh yeah, I love these too. I told you I forgot what I ordered. These are absolutely gorgeous. Now, these right here, again, you can do anything you want with them. It's all according to your style and how, like she said in their card, you make it your own. However your style is, but listen, a type of earring like this is always something I believe a woman should have in her collection. Because something like this, let me give you a closer look. A piece like this, there's so much you can do with it. Anywhere. There is nowhere or no location or no setting that you cannot wear these earrings. Again, I don't care if you, just like I said, had on jeans and a white t-shirt. These earrings would be beautiful. Or if you had on a nice evening gown, these earrings would be beautiful. Or if you were dressing business casual, these earrings are beautiful, okay? Now I've already taken it off. They have a little bit of a different back that I've never seen before. I like, very different. As you can see here, it kind of has like a back. I'm not sure if you can see. The way that the back is very similar to like a clip-on back, but it holds it into place though. So you can flap that down, and when you put your earring in, flap it back up and it's gonna hold it into place. But she also has included here, the little rubber backing, I guess for extra security. I like that. I've never seen a back like that before. Never seen that. And I like that though, that's neat. That's different. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip that up. And it's on there. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, this little rubber back on, just for some extra, security. But I like it. And I like this because you would think that this would be kind of heavy, but it's actually not. It's really not that heavy. If I'm looking over here, it's because I have a mirror right in front of me, okay? But it's really not that heavy. I'm gonna put the other one on too, okay? Yeah, I gotta go get some more. And I didn't get everything that particular day that I shopped. It was the day that she just launched when I bought these. And I guess I was late or whatever, because she was sold out of so much stuff. Like, she was sold out, y'all. I was like, what? Also, a lot of the stuff that I really wanted, I couldn't even get because it was sold out. It was sold out, y'all. So, yeah. But then within like a couple of days, I got an email saying she was restocked. So that is how quickly she works with getting, maybe like a week. That is how quickly she works with getting her stuff back in stock so she can take care of her good girlfriends, okay? Because, child, listen, I had just looked forward. I hadn't even looked forward to look and see how these earrings look. This is gorgeous. Look at how elegant and how classy these earrings are. Very elegant, very simple, classy earring. I love it. Beautiful. I love it. So beautiful. Like I said, you can wear it anywhere. Yes. Love it. Alrighty. I love it. Now I have one more pair. I believe it was a pair that I got for my daughters again. And I love that she offered that. So it's, you know, if you want to go glam or if you want to go simple, she has it for you. Yes. Another pair that I got for, or another set, I would say, that I got for my girls. My daughters are 2 and 7, so these are perfect for them, you know? And I like that she has that. Perfect. So, beautiful. Beautiful. I mean, I'm really satisfied. I will be shopping more. Again, it's marisasmanner.com. She's very professional. Very professional website, easy, simple to navigate. Great quality, and just really different pieces. So if that is something that you are looking for, if you want something that is like that look, I'm gonna put my other earrings back on. Okay. If you want something like that, then I definitely suggest that you check out marisasmanner.com. I'm almost certain, I'm not almost certain, I am certain that you will not be disappointed. Okay? And these were on here, even with this little clamp, they were on there and not going anywhere at all. Not going anywhere. So if that was something you were concerned about, don't be, because they weren't going anywhere. But these, baby, now I love those other ones, but these just did something for me. I am excited about these earrings. I think I'm going to wear them all day. I love it. Thank you, Marisas Manner. Okay, awesome. I love it. Okay, guys, that is all for today. I didn't get my trunk. Like I said, I wanted to get more. I wanted to fill it up, but it was so out. So I'm going to shop again. And I will be sure to share with you guys what I get. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. And if you really did like it, or if you like me, go ahead and subscribe so you can see more of me. I try to upload every Monday and every Wednesday, but you will get a notification if you subscribe and hit that bell button. You will be notified when a new video is uploaded. So thank you again for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, y'all be safe, y'all be blessed.